What does 2024 hold for the crypto sector? As we prepare to cross into another year, we find ourselves amidst the familiar flurry of predictions and forecasts. The task of foretelling the trajectory of the fast-paced, unpredictable world of crypto is surely daunting, yet it holds an intrinsic value. Even if the predictions miss their mark, the exercise of studying market trends and key players is in itself a beneficial pursuit. Let's delve into one potential scenario for 2024. Advancements in crypto accounting rules. The much-awaited crypto accounting rule from the Financial Accounting Standards Board represents a notable advancement under generally accepted accounting principles. While the current rule is narrowly focused and doesn't encompass all crypto assets, it paves the way for increased transparency and uniformly applied rules, two crucial elements for pushing the crypto sector towards mainstream adoption. This significant stride sets the stage for further progress in 2024. But what about the long-awaited spot Bitcoin ETF, you might ask? This, dear listener, is a relatively secure prediction for 2024. With multiple proposals currently under review at the Securities and Exchange Commission, from major firms like WisdomTree, Invesco, Franklin Templeton, and BlackRock, the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF seems more likely than ever. Such an approval would not only enhance Bitcoin's legitimacy, but also invite more transparent conversations about the role of crypto assets in payments, reducing the unproductive rhetoric that often surrounds them. It's like opening a new chapter in the story of cryptocurrencies, one where they are recognized and regulated by traditional financial institutions. And let's not forget, irrespective of which institution secures approval first, the launch of a Bitcoin ETF could indeed be a game changer. It opens up opportunities for more investors to participate, potentially bringing in a wave of fresh capital into the crypto world. The launch of a Bitcoin ETF could indeed be a game changer for the sector. Moving on to a contentious topic, Tether. A recent S&P report highlighted escalating regulatory scrutiny on Tether, ranking both the issuing entity and the USDT token as high risk. The concerns revolve largely around transparency, doubts about reserves, and a perceived reluctance from the leadership to address these issues. The pressure may push Tether towards one of two outcomes in 2024, either undergoing a comprehensive audit or facing deplatforming. As more exchanges consider delisting USDT and US regulatory bodies tighten enforcement, the path forward for Tether becomes increasingly narrow. The resolution of these issues, one way or another, could significantly affect the crypto sector. If Tether manages to quell the concerns and increase transparency, it could further solidify its position in the market. On the other hand, a failure to address these issues could potentially cause a domino effect, impacting other stablecoins and the broader crypto sector. 2024 could indeed be a pivotal year for Tether and, by extension, the crypto sector. Banks and tokenized payments, a match made in 2024. There's no denying that the world of finance is evolving at a rapid pace, and the adoption of tokenized payments by major US banks is a development we can foresee in the coming year. Financial institutions are increasingly recognizing the benefits of blockchain technology and the efficiency of tokenized payments. Several key players, including JP Morgan and PayPal, have already taken the plunge, venturing into this exciting new realm. While there are differing opinions among industry leaders, the business case for tokenized payments is well understood by those who advocate for cryptocurrencies. The potential for increased speed, security, and transparency in transactions is hard to ignore. As we move into 2024, it's expected that more banks will follow suit, recognizing the value of integrating tokenized payments into their existing systems. This trend signifies a significant step towards the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies. As major financial institutions recognize the benefits, the trend of tokenized payments is likely to continue. And finally, let's talk Bitcoin prices. The age-old question, where will Bitcoin's price land in 2024? While some experts predict astronomical figures, a more conservative estimate suggests a potential surpassing of $60,000. Although this may not beat previous all-time highs, it hints at a vigorous recovery and a promising future for Bitcoin. This projection also reflects a growing trend towards institutional involvement in the crypto sector. As these major players gain prominence, we may see less tolerance for the wild valuation swings we've observed in the past. The market's maturation, coupled with the steady hand of these institutional investors, could foster a more stable and sustainable growth trajectory for Bitcoin. In conclusion, 2024 promises to be an exciting year for the crypto sector, as these predictions indicate. From accounting advancements and ETF approvals to Tether's fate and banks embracing tokenized payments, the crypto landscape continues to evolve. Let's watch this space closely as we step into the new year. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more empowering content.